Hello guys, welcome back to Recipe channel, your connections to China. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Well, in today's episode, we are going to take a closer look at the new Oppo Reno 8 series. We're going to do unboxing and preview as well, so stay tuned. So here it is guys, the new Reno 8 box. So let's try to compare it with the Reno 7 box. So it's shorter than the Reno 7. To open up the box, you need to use a cutter to peel out the plastic cover or simply pulling out the tab. So guys, the Reno 8 box labeling is quite the same with the Reno 7 box. So here it is. We're going to open it up now. So once you opened up the box guys, you will see this small packaging on the top, and in it are some items such as, the manual and other specs or specifications about the product. So some other paperworks, most are in Chinese. So anyway, this is the jelly case, guys, that is free, included in the box. So here is the phone itself, guys, and this is Pro version, and the color is kind of, like blue color. And, when it's reflected on the light, it changes its color. So let's turn it on and then set it aside for a while. Then let's check out the other items included in the box. So that's a divider there. Then here comes the charger, which has an 80 watts capacity, and they say it can charge the phone in 30 minutes. So that's quite fast, right? And it's a little different than the predecessor. And here comes the USB Type-C cable line, which is about 1 meter long as well. Just like, the Reno 7 USB Type-C. Yeah, that's pretty much about the contents of the box. Now, let's try to explore the phone and see how the phone performs. So we can see some specs about the phone, and this is the back of the phone, guys, and the sidings of the phone, the bottom and the top. So you can see that this phone is different than the Reno 7, the design. So guys, both the Pro and Pro Plus versions have 120 Hz refresh rate and 950 nits up to 1300 nits. So here is the frontal physical comparison between the Pro and Pro Plus version. And here is the comparison between the Reno 7 Pro and the Reno 8 Pro Plus in terms of the camera panel or module at the back. And now let's try to test out and try to compare Reno 7 and Reno 8 Pro Plus cameras. Well, despite the price difference, the Reno 8 Pro and the Reno 8 Pro Plus feature the same camera hardware. This triple camera setup includes a 50 megapixel IMX766 sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The 8 Pro and Pro Plus come with the company's independent Marie Silicon X NPU for image processing. This image processor brings features such as AI noise reduction and enhancements for better low-light photography. In addition, it brings features such as dual-core portrait photography, a dynamic capture engine, AI radiant beauty mode, 4K HDR videos capped at 30 frames per second, and more. Because of its smooth and glass-like back, it's very prone to fingerprinting at the back. This phone is equipped with an in-screen fingerprint reader that unlocks the phone quickly and safely. The Reno 8 Pro Plus features a 6.7 inches AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The chipset inside the phone is a MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max 5G with an octa-core CPU and an ARM Mali 6 or G610 MC6 GPU. The chipset is paired with 8 by 12 GB of RAM and a 256 GB of internal storage. On the rear side of the phone, the Reno 8 Pro Plus has 3 cameras, while up front, it has a single selfie camera. It has a 50 megapixel primary camera with a PDAF or PDAF feature, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. Up front, it comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The rear camera can shoot steady videos in 4K resolution, while the 32 MP or megapixel front camera can shoot steady videos in 1080p resolution. The Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus is powered by a 4500 mAh battery with support for 80 watts wired fast charging. You can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in about 30 minutes. It has no wireless charge and no reverse wireless charge features. This phone is also equipped with its own NPU for processing images and a very good performing chipset from MediaTek. This phone features loudspeaker, which is situated at the bottom and at the top. Now let's have a sound test. Well, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Till my next one, 再见, bye bye.